eco-wimps. Welcome to my DIY channel. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, which will give you the notification when I upload my new videos. Let's get started. Here is the table that we're going to start with and turn it into a vanity table. Let's get started. Here are the materials that you would need to get started. You would need sandpaper, grit of your choice. I'm using the 150. You will also need spray paint primer, white. You would need white paint, which is not listed. And you would need a glue gun, glue stick, mirrors from the Dollar Tree store, however many it would take to cover the table that you choose. And also a spray bottle or spray paint of your color. I'm going to be using silver metallic. The table you see here is sanded down first, and then it is painted with paint that already is mixed with primer in the paint, pure white. Now we're going to take our Dollar Tree mirrors and we're going to use the glue E6000, which I forgot to mention to you guys. You can use either E6000 glue or you can use liquid nail to apply to the back of each mirror and placing them accordingly. And you want to do that through each step of the way of placing the mirrors flat on the surface. Make sure there's no dust particles on the top and that you do this thoroughly. And make sure you press and put some on the mirror, like a bleach bottle or something that like books, to hold the weight down. Now that that part is done, you want to go ahead and cover your mirrors with some type of fabric that you can throw away, and also take some type of construction tape and cover the outline of your mirror so that it doesn't get any primer or any paint on that you didn't finish doing. You also see me spraying the primer, the rest of the primer on the edge and also the drawers that I did not do yet because I want to take care of the top first. I should have done that before I put the mirrors on. My bad. But you know, I decided to go this way, and it's still okay. I didn't want to put the spray paint and the paint on the drawers because I didn't want the drawers to get stuck. But right here you see me spraying the rest of the drawers with primer instead of using paint, because primer dries faster and it's quicker and I can get the look done much faster. So voila, there you go. I advise people to do this outside. I did it in my bedroom with all my windows open, and I wasn't really caring about my walls because my walls are going to be redone anyway. So I'm going to get paint, spray paint on my walls, which is okay because I'm going to be redoing my whole entire room as a makeover. But this is what I have completed so far. And it looks pretty good. So you can see the construction tape on the edge covering the mirror so I don't get any spray paint on the mirrors. And I have a cloth that's covering the rest of the mirrors with bleach bottles that are holding down. Now, once I finish that, I'm using my metallic spray paint to cover the white primer paint. So this will be my finishing look. So let's go ahead and watch me complete this look and, you know, get it all done. You want to get every place that's white spray painted the color of your choice. My choice was silver metallic because I'm going with the snow frozen look, you know, the bling bling look. So this is what's going on here. Don't worry about my floors. My carpet is going to be delivered. I'm getting new carpet put in, so that's okay. So I spray painted the entire table, and this is what it looks like. So once I finish and make sure that I got underneath, on the sides, the crevices and stuff like that. I even, once the drawers were finished, I opened up the drawers and sprayed on the side of that as well so it doesn't look tacky. But you are looking at what I sprayed underneath, so, you know, just for people who like to be very thorough, I'm covering all my little tracks. So that's what you have here. So I'm loving it. So once everything is done, once I take everything off, everything has dried, this is the final look of what I've done so far. Look at the mirrors. These mirrors are from the Dollar Tree. It took my table about 30 mirrors to go on top and across. I measured, you know, and I got it down packed. I'm going to be doing a part 2 video because I'm going to go to Lowe's and have my drawers done. I'm going to have mirrors cut, you know, measured and cut to fit those, and have the crystal knobs put on. So I will be uploading a second video to show that look as well. But this is what I have so far and I'm loving it. please subscribe and click like, hit the notification bell. I do appreciate it. Any suggestions, put them in the comments below. And this is what you have from me to you guys. DIY Miko Williams style. Yes, yes, yes. I'm loving it. This is my own personal touch and my own personal vanity table. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow me on YouTube. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Miko Williams TV. Meko Williams with an S TV. Bye.